Hello guys, welcome back to Login Help. Today's video will be about how you can log into your AOL mail account. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel for more helps, videos, and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Moving on, to log into your AOL mail account, go to your web browser and type aolmail.com. Now you'll end up to the sign in page, type in your username, email or mobile number and hit next. Now type in your password, make sure you've entered it correctly and hit next again. Give it a few moments and there you go. That is how you log into your AOL mail account. As easy as a pie, isn't it? Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions, please do write it in the comment box below and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you again with another tutorial video.